Welcome to Mailware Multi-Channel Manager. This section covers RMAs, or Return Merchandise Authorizations. In Mailware, you can return items at the order level, but you can also use our full RMA system. To do so, when a customer calls, you want to create a new RMA and then search for the customer. You can search by any of the fields that you see here. We'll look for John Smith, who we just found, and then we'll create a new RMA for him. In the case of an RMA, you'll need to look for the order number that he's returning, and it will have to be an order that has shipped. Let's take a look through what he has, and typically this information will be available to you from the customer, or you can check, do an order search and find that information. After you've selected an order, you can then select the products that the customer is returning. For each product, if you like, you can also select a reason. You can create as many of these reasons as you like, and each reason can specify whether or not the product goes back to stock. In case of did not like, we have it automatically specified to go back to stock when we receive it, but you could have a did not like return and a did not like do not return to stock. As many of these as you need. You can specify how many is returning, at what price, whether he got a discount, which will automatically be filled for you, and whether you're going to return tax, which will also automatically be filled, and shipping, but you can override those. After you've specified that for any products that you want to return, and we're just going to return this one, you'll then give him the RMA number, which can start at any number you like. This one's simply number 2. And when the product is returned, you'll then come into the RMA system, search for your customer again, and go to the product that you're receiving, click Edit, and go to the Status tab, where you can specify that you received it, automatically put in the date and your operator number, and whether you're going to refuse it or accept it. If you accept it, you're done. Just click OK. And then the process of refunding. Click the Refund tab. Again, click Add. Select any products that you're refunding, what method you're refunding. We can charge back automatically to most credit cards. You can send the customer a check, or you can apply it to their store credit, which is handy because by simply clicking Authorize, you now have a store credit that the customer can use on their next order, just like any payment. If you like, you can print a Return Merchandise Authorization number or advice, and this will show the information that you have on the return. This can be emailed, faxed, printed out, etc., given to the customer. There's also a space for internal notes if you have any that you need to make, and we'll keep a full history of them, and notes that would print on the return advice that we just saw. You can also run reports in the Report Center to show you returns against sales, so you can keep track of total sales, gross receipts, etc. And that concludes the section on RMAs.